What is up, guys? Welcome on back to Tech Talk, coming to you live from the Scat Pack. And today we're going to talk a little bit about this iPad mini, so let's get directly into it. First things first, the iPad mini is available starting today. I love that when you ain't got to wait 2 weeks to wait on a product. Let's hope the iPhone does the same thing. Starting from $499, 5G, USB-C, the whole nine. I'm down for it. Apple Pencil support, the wide angle camera on the front, and we're going to get into the specs part of this here in just a minute. I am 100% sold, and I will be copping one immediately. Now, does it have its latest and greatest CPU? It doesn't. It also only has the single 12 megapixel camera on the back, but it does have 5G and Touch ID. It is 40% faster than the last one and 80% faster on the GPU, so I'm 100% on board with that. With the landscape stereo speakers, I'm here for it, man. I'm here for it. This is just a very brief kind of first impressions and what I think about it. And is there a space for this? Yeah, think about this. Think about the people that want a big display and they buy an iPhone 12 Pro Max every year, but they don't really make a lot of phone calls. They just use iMessage, some kind of texting app, social media. Now, this is kind of going to hit the market as kind of like a Galaxy Note-ish replacement, because you can still FaceTime all your friends, you can still iMessage all your friends, you can edit on it, you can use the Apple Pencil, USB Type-C. It is a media consumption device. This thing is gonna sell like hotcakes. Watch what I tell you. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me. Let me know what you guys think about the new iPad in the comment section down below. There's more Apple content coming for you guys later today. I'll give you my thoughts and impressions when I think about the new iPhone, if it's even going to be worth buying or not. I'm going to be honest with you, it might be the first year I don't buy an iPhone, but we'll see. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next one.